Welcome back to my channel. Most men get compliments all wrong. They think flattery is the way to a woman's heart, that piling on sweet words will make them irresistible. But here's the truth. Most compliments don't work because they're either too generic, too predictable, or too desperate. Telling a woman she's beautiful is nice, but it's nothing new. She's heard it before 100 times over, from strangers, from past lovers, from men whose faces she doesn't even remember. A compliment like that disappears into the air, forgotten as quickly as it was said. What you need is a different kind of compliment, one that stays with her, one that makes her see you in a way she hasn't seen any other man. And here's the secret. The most powerful compliments aren't just about her. They reflect something about you too. Stoicism teaches us that words should have weight. A Stoic man does not speak to seek approval. He speaks with purpose, precision, and control when he compliments a woman. It's not to impress her. It's because he has observed something genuinely worthy of admiration. A compliment like that does something. No empty flattery. It makes her feel truly seen. And when a woman feels seen in a way others have missed, that's when attraction shifts from surface-level interest to something much deeper. Let's break down 6 powerful compliments that will not only make her attracted to you, but will set you apart from every other man she's met. Compliment 1. I love the way you think. Most men focus on the obvious when they compliment a woman. They talk about her beauty, her charm, maybe even her sense of humor. But very few men ever acknowledge the way her mind works, and that is why this compliment is so powerful. Telling a woman, I love the way you think, is different from calling her smart. Intelligence is a broad concept. It can mean many things. Book smarts, street smarts with creativity, problem solving. But when you tell a woman that you love the way she thinks, you are making a much deeper statement. You're telling her that her perspective, the way she processes the world, is something you find fascinating. This works on a psychological level because people don't just want to be admired for what they know. They want to be valued for how they see things. And here's the key. Be specific. If she makes a thought-provoking observation, tell her, I never saw it that way before. I love how your mind works. If she asks an interesting question, respond with you. Always ask the best questions. I love how your mind challenges things. If she has a unique approach to problem solving, say, I respect how you think through things. You see the world differently. And I admire that a compliment like this does 2 things at once. First, it makes her feel deeply seen in a way that most men will never accomplish. And second, it makes her want to keep impressing you with her mind, because now she's thinking about how you see her. And when a woman starts thinking about how you perceive her, that's when attraction shifts from surface-level interest to something much deeper. Compliment 2. I feel calm around you. Most men make the mistake of thinking attraction is about excitement, adrenaline, making her laugh or feel butterflies. And while that can work in the short term, the truth is, what keeps a woman coming back isn't just excitement. It's how she feels when she's around you. That's why telling a woman, I feel calm around you, is one of the most disarming and powerful compliments you can give. Because this isn't about her looks, it's not about her charm, it's about something deeper, her presence, her energy, the way she makes you feel, without even trying. Here's what happens psychologically when you say this one. It makes her feel valued for something she might not even realize about herself. Oh, most people are told they're beautiful, talented, or funny. But few people are told that their presence has an effect on others, especially in a way that brings peace. This instantly makes you stand out, because it's a level of observation that most men don't express. 2. It creates a subconscious emotional connection. Oh, humans are wired to seek out what makes them feel good. And when you associate her with a feeling of peace, you become someone she subconsciously wants to be around more. Oh, think about it. People crave stability, especially in a world filled with stress, pressure, and chaos. If she starts linking you to a sense of calm and ease, she will want you in her life more and more. 3. It subtly flips the power dynamic. Most compliments are about trying to win someone over, but this one, it's about acknowledging an effect she has on you. This shifts the frame now. Instead of you chasing her, she starts thinking about how she affects you. The key is to deliver this genuinely and with presence. It's not about throwing out words, it's about making sure they carry meaning. For example, if she naturally slows down the pace of a conversation, tell her, I feel really calm when I'm with you. It's like, you bring a different kind of energy to the moment. If she helps you relax after a stressful day, say being around you just takes the edge off. I don't even know how to explain it, but I love that about you. If she has a grounded, steady nature, let her know you have this way of making things feel simple and clear. I think that's rare and I really respect it. Women are used to being chased, admired and entertained, but they're not used to being told that their presence alone is enough, and that's what makes this compliment so powerful. It's not about what she does, how she looks or what she says. It's about the feeling she creates without even trying. And once she realizes that just by being around you, she can bring you a sense of calm, she will want to be there more and more, because at the end of the day, a woman will always be drawn back to the place where she feels the most at home. Compliment 3. You have a presence that changes the room. Most people walk into a room, and the energy stays the same. But then there are people, rare people, who enter, and everything shifts. Conversations take on a different tone. People react to them, even if they don't realize why. And when a woman has this kind of energy, and you're the one to notice it and name it, you become the man who truly sees her. This isn't just about confidence or charisma, it's deeper than that. Some people bring lightness into a space, some bring mystery, some create a quiet gravity that pulls others in without even trying. If a woman has this quality and you tell her you change the energy of a room when you walk in, she will never forget you said it. Why? Because it's a rare observation. It's not about her looks, her style, or even her intelligence. It's about something almost intangible, something she might not even fully understand about herself. And here's where it becomes even more powerful. If you describe exactly how she changes the room, you're showing that your attraction to her isn't just instinctive, it's observant. Maybe she brings calm, like people feel more at ease when she's around. Maybe she brings intensity, like she makes everything feel more alive. Maybe she brings intrigue, like people naturally want to know more about her. Most men focus on what a woman looks like, but if you tell her what she feels like to be around, that's when you stand out. Compliment 4. You make things more interesting. Just by being part of them, women don't just want to be admired, they want to be engaged with. They want to feel like their presence adds something unique to the world. And this is why telling a woman you make things more interesting just by being part of them is such a powerful compliment. Most men focus on a woman's traits, her beauty, her kindness, her intelligence. But this compliment is different. It tells her that it's not just about who she is, it's about what happens when she's around. And the best part, it naturally makes her want to prove you right, because now she's thinking, do I really make things more interesting? What is it about me that he sees that others don't? This isn't just flattery, it's psychological engagement. You've planted a seed in her mind that makes her think about how she affects the world and about how she affects you. And that is one of the most irresistible feelings in human attraction. Compliment 5. I respect the way you handle challenges. Attraction isn't just about desire, it's about admiration. And if you want to compliment a woman in a way that goes beyond the usual, tell her that you respect something about her. Most people don't feel truly seen in their struggles. They work hard, they face obstacles, they keep pushing forward. But how often does someone stop and say, I see what you're doing, And I respect it when you tell a woman, I respect the way you handle challenges. You're recognizing something deeper than her beauty or charm. You're acknowledging her strength. And here's the trick. You need to be specific. Maybe she's dealing with a stressful job, and you notice how she keeps her composure. Maybe she's going through a personal struggle, and you admire how she carries herself. Maybe she stands up for herself in ways others wouldn't, and you find that rare and attractive. This compliment works because it doesn't just make her feel good. It makes her proud of herself. And when a woman associates you with a sense of self-pride, you become more than just another man in her life. You become someone who sees her strength, not just her beauty, and that's unforgettable. Compliment 6. You inspire me. Most compliments focus on the past, what a woman already is, what she already has. But the most powerful compliments are about the future, how she affects you, how she changes you, how she pushes you to be better. Telling a woman you inspire me is one of the most profound things you can say. Why? Because it does three things at once. One, it elevates her in your eyes, showing that you admire something about her deeply. Two, it makes her feel valuable because she's not just attractive to you, she's impactful. Three, it creates a connection. Because when someone inspires us, we feel drawn to them in a way that goes beyond the surface. But just like before, this needs to be specific. Maybe she inspires you with her work ethic, the way she refuses to give up. Maybe she inspires you with her mind, how she challenges you in ways no one else does. Maybe she inspires you with her fearlessness, the way she steps into the unknown without hesitation. This compliment isn't about making her feel good in the moment. It's about making her feel like she has a lasting impact on you. And when a woman starts thinking about how she influences your life, she's already emotionally invested. Because attraction isn't just about wanting someone, it's about feeling connected to them. And when a woman feels like she's changed you even just a little, that's when she knows you're different from all the others. Most men think attraction is about trying to impress a woman. They believe they need to be the funniest, the smartest, the most confident guy in the room. But here's the truth. The men women are most drawn to are the ones who make them feel truly seen. A powerful compliment isn't about flattery. It's about attention. It's about perception. It's about making a woman feel like she has left a mark on you, that she is more than just another face in the crowd. If you master these 6 compliments, you won't just attract women, you'll stand out in a way no one else does, because while most men are stuck on the surface, you'll be speaking to something far deeper, and that's where true attraction lives. Now, if you found this valuable, subscribe for more insights like this. Let's keep sharpening the mind, the presence and the philosophy that makes you stand above the rest.